Today's video, I will share with you top 5 best digital readouts available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the digital readouts list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the digital readouts mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 3-axis LCD DRO with 50 to 1000 mm optical rulers. This 3-axis digital readout system features an LCD display and comes with 3 optical linear scales, 50 to 1000 mm. It offers excellent accuracy, making it ideal for precise operations on milling and lathe machines. The optical scales provide stable and consistent measurements, perfect for demanding machining tasks. Number 4, YHSINO 3-axis DRO with 100 to 1000 mm linear glass scales. The YHSINO 3-axis DRO system includes 3 linear glass scales with TTL encoders for a stroke length between 100 mm and 1000 mm. This system delivers exceptional precision for both milling and lathe machines, making it perfect for professional workshops. The glass scales ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Number 3, YH800-2 2-axis LCD DRO with 50 to 800 mm scale. This 2-axis digital readout system is designed with a 9-language LCD display and 2 linear scale encoders measuring 50 to 800 mm. It's well suited for milling and lathe operations, providing accurate measurements and easy operation. The system runs on AC 90-260V, making it adaptable for various power supplies, while offering a durable and cost-effective solution for machinists. Number 2, 13-language 3-axis LCD DRO with 50 to 1000 mm scale, a versatile 3-axis DRO system that supports 13 languages, making it ideal for international use. It comes with 2 or 3 linear scale encoders, 50 mm to 1000 mm, for precise measurement on lathes and milling machines. Its intuitive LCD display provides accurate readings and user-friendly navigation, perfect for professionals working on detailed machining tasks. Number 1, 2-axis LCD DRO with 1000 mm linear scale. This 2-axis digital readout system is equipped with 2 linear scale encoders ranging from 0 to 1000 mm, ideal for milling and lathe machines. It offers highly accurate measurements, making it perfect for precision machining. The clear LCD display enhances usability, while the durable design ensures longevity in both industrial and personal workshops.